Hi everybody, hope everybody's still doing well. Welcome to the week of May. These weeks are really blurring together. What week is this? As a matter of fact, what day is this? Hello. Echo. Oh yeah, welcome to the week of May 11th. Like I said, hope everybody's doing well, and here's what we have planned for this week. This week, for drones in flight, we're going to continue with our rule scenarios that we've been working on the last couple of weeks. So for everybody that has completed scenario 1, the case of the wounded drone, week of May the 4th, this past week, was the case of the drone football game. I thank you for completing those. It looks like we dropped off a little bit this week, so I really would appreciate if you guys could go in, take a look at it, and just give me your thoughts on what that case looks like. So the one that we're going to do for this week is the case of the drowned drone. So we have a couple different FAA rules and situations to look at for this one. So what's your take on this one? So this person is a little more responsible. A responsible recreational drone operator gets a new drone and upon pulling it out of the box sees that there is a note that the drone should be registered with the FAA. So he goes to the FAA website, registers the drone for the $5 fee as a recreational flyer, and posts the registration on his drone as required. After a little practice for a week or so, a fire breaks out one evening a few blocks away from his home. He decides it would be a great opportunity to put his drone into action to get some good video for the local news and his social media channels. Maybe it'll go viral. He feels he may be able to help the firefighters out if his drone spots something or someone that they can't see from the ground. So his drone also has infrared camera features that he's dying to test out. Because it's getting pretty dark outside, he decides to disable the lights on his drone so it doesn't distract the firefighters or anyone else on the ground. From his backyard, he flies the drone over a few blocks to the fire, and wow, it is an active fire scene. He gets some great video. He starts out flying pretty high, but is almost taken out by a news helicopter, so he decides to get a little lower to the scene. Now he's really getting some good video. However, because it's so dark and far away, he can't see his drone and gets a little too close to the firefighters. The firefighters become annoyed with the drone and blast it out of the sky with a fire hose, almost knocking it into the fire and turning it into a crispy critter, but crashes in the side yard. A firefighter picks it up and notices the registration number. The next day, a law enforcement officer is knocking on his door. So, take a look and think about what rules have been broken and what this guy could have done a better job at doing. So have a great week and good luck, and remember, I'm always available in office hours or an email away.